Let us now look at command line arguments in shell scripts. Our script is now easy enough to be used for different missions. In its current state, we can execute the script to create and launch a rocket for a mission. For a new mission, we modify the script to update the new project name and then run the script to create and launch a rocket for that mission. We repeat the steps for each new mission. Now, having to edit the script to change the mission name each time isn't very convenient. What would be convenient is a way to specify the mission name in the command line itself when we launch a new mission. Something like this. That way, we never have to modify the script ever again. So how do we do that? We can specify the mission name on the command line. But how do you access the mission name that was specified on the command line from within our script? If we could somehow get it all the way here, where we have currently hard-coded the mission name, then that would solve our problem. Now, from within a script, you can access the command run by the user using a special set of built-in variables. The command run by the user is split into multiple parts, and each part is stored in a built-in variable starting with the number 0. The command itself, which in this case is create and launch rocket, is available at $0. The second part of the command, which is our mission name, is stored in a built-in variable named $1. And in case we had other parts for the command, it would go as $2, $3, $4, etc. These are called as command line arguments. So in our case, we can replace the hard-coded mission name within our script with the built-in variable $1. So going forward, for all missions, we can simply call the script and pass in the name of the mission as a command line argument and never ever have to modify the base script ever again. So here we are assigning one variable the value from another variable. The variable mission_name gets the value from the variable $1. So there are two variables. Is that really required? No. So here's another version of the same script. You could get rid of the mission_name variable and simply use $1 in all places instead. So we now only have one variable used in our script. However, in the future, when you or someone from your team reviews the script, they may not understand what $1 stands for. So it is recommended to do it the first way by assigning the value to a meaningful variable name, and then using that variable name throughout the rest of the script. As a best practice, always make sure you design your script to be reusable. Always develop the script keeping in mind that it is to be reused by another person who has not developed the script or probably don't even have experience working with shell scripts. Your script shouldn't require modification each time before it is run, so it shouldn't have hard-coded variables inside the script. Instead, use command line arguments to pass in inputs.